Master Strategies with Anil Kumar and Excel. Welcome to your favorite channel. Let's enjoy the process of learning. I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a question based on coding. For EQAO students, this has been a new topic since last year, so some practice is definitely required. You can always send an email for more practice questions. Question here is: this pseudocode is written to determine if the number is greater than 10 or not. So the code starts with number A equals to 0, number B equals to 10, output, enter the number, store user number as number A, if. So that is if and else conditional statement, if what. And this has to be filled by the four choices given to you. If something, output the number is greater than 10. Else, output the number is not greater than 10. Correct? So that becomes the part of the code which has been indented. Correct. Now you need to select the correct line of code to complete this pseudocode. Four options are given to you. So you have to be careful in selecting. It's not a difficult question at all. I hope you have made the selection. We are looking for the number which is greater than 10 and look at the variable which is taking user's input, right? So number B is 10, number A is what should be greater than B, right? So we want number A to be greater than B, and therefore option A becomes the right option. I hope you have understood, right? So in the first phase, number A is a variable which has been initialized to 0. Number B is the other variable, but it has been initialized with 10. When the user enters a number, that number is stored in variable A, so that is the number which we want to check if it is greater than 10 or not. Perfect. So that's the whole idea. Once you understand the statement, then there is no problem in answering the question. I hope the question is answered and you have understood the concept. Let's take another problem which is similar. Now, here the question is: this pseudocode will be used to determine area of a rectangle if the user inputs its length and width. You know the formula for area is length times width, right? Now, EQA sheet also gives you formula. So, if somehow if there is a difficult formula which you don't remember, refer to this sheet. Okay, great. So, here the code starts. Length L equals to 0, width W equals to 0. So in first two lines, we have initialized the two variables length L and width W. Output, enter the value of length L. So user is going to enter some number, store user number in length L. So that number is now associated with the variable length L. Output, enter the value of width W. So this time width has been entered by the user and store user input as width W, and that is stored in width W. So output, the area of the rectangle is area. So area is a variable which will be outputted here. What is that? You have to now select the correct line of code to complete this pseudocode. Right. So four options again are given to you. Carefully look at them. Area, you know, is length into width. So you have to do product of these two, and therefore option A is the right option. The whole idea here is to understand the coding part, how the variables are initialized, how are they associated values, how are we prompting a user to provide inputs, and how do we print the solution on the screen. as an output. I hope this concept is clear. In the next set, we are going to take slightly more difficult questions. I hope you are enjoying this journey of learning. In case you want to learn more, you can always send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.